using detector rails. So I've created a little rail system with powered rails that will take you around in a circle, but I have a spot here where I'm going to put a detector rail. Now, in order to make it work, I need to add some redstone dust because I'm going to make it power something else. And I'm going to make it power this dispenser that's over here. Now, normally you can step on the pressure plate and it will dispense a minecart. But I'm not going to use the pressure plate. Instead, we're going to use the detector rail. So I'm going to go ahead and put the minecart here on the rails. I'm going to get inside and we're going to zoom all the way around. And I'm going to get off so you can see we've zoomed around twice. And it has put out 2 minecarts and it's coming around again. And once it hits that detector rail, boom, it sent out another minecart. Thanks for watching, and if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Minecraft.